How you going, guys? It's Josh here from AllBrand Caravan Services again. Today what we're just going to show you is actually what's inside of your brake assembly on your vans. So as you can look at this one here, so these two things out here are called your shoes. You've got a spring clip here and a spring clip there. That's what holds it against the rear housing. And then down here is your brake magnet. And obviously in the center is going to be your axle. So as you can see, we'll get some photos a little bit later, but this magnet here, this is what we would fail as a magnet due to there's supposed to be 4 breather holes put into it. Once they get down past a point, those breather holes will disappear. So like we're going to do on all 4 of these on this van, we're going to replace them all. And at the back, they come out, they run up this arm through here. There's a little grommet in the back, and they're actually on this van, they're actually on this style plug, but most of the time they just crimp together. So when you're having a look under your van and you want to actually interpret and see what it actually is, this video will give you a clear indication for you.